Um, let's watch a week unfold for two traders, both brand new 100K funded accounts. Trader A is a gut feeling. A guy is emotional. On Monday, he takes the trade and immediately goes against him. He starts call it swimming and dragging the stop loss down and whispering just a little bit more. It doesn't turn around. He basically ends up taking a $3,500 loss, blowing the whole daily drawdown rule, and basically one single day, the account is gone. Or let's say he has a great Monday and he banks about 2K. On Tuesday, he feels like a king and it sees like basically sees the setup. Instead of a normal risk taking, he see the chance. He doubled down, thinking he's one trade away from a payout. The market instantly reversed. Panic set in, and call it closest to a massive $5,000 drop. The account is gone in this classic bottom and bust cycle. Now let's take a trader B. She uses a risk-free manager. Maybe we just said the one that we just set up on Monday. She sees her first A+ setup trade, and she's taking it with a tool. The risk locked as a 0.5 or $500. The trade hits the stop loss. She loses 500. She's not thrilled, but she's of course not revenge trading. It's just a small calculation business expense. She takes another valid setup, and this time is a winner, making $1,000. She ends up with a day of $500. Okay, on Tuesday the market is a mess. It's choppy and unpredictable. She takes 3 trades, all hits their stop losses. Her total loss for one single that was 1,500. She feels that familiar itch that I have to get it back, but she can't. Her tool showed the daily loss near the 2,500 and basically put a hard stop on it. So what does Pro do? She just shut it down for the day, and she lives to fight tomorrow. Over the month, Trader B has a green days and some red days, but her losses are always contained. Her discipline is always in force. She never has a catastrophic account killing day. She ends up in a month with a 6% gain on a request in her first payout, which is amazing. She didn't have a magical strategy. She just applied the system to force her to be like a professional. That's that's the entire difference. This now says that the game of long enough to actually basically in the game too long enough to actually win it. So this tool is automatically called the automatic risk management. Isn't a license to print money. It's a license to practice discipline. It set up guard lines that protect you from your single biggest threat, which in your trading career, which is you and your emotional impulses. The road to this first prop firm isn't paved with a huge historical wins. It's paved with hundreds of small, disciplined, and sometimes boring decisions. It's about surviving when you're losing money another day, so you can basically run to capitalize it on a different day and wins those days. So stop trying to be a hero. Stop chasing those monster trade. Install this free tool